Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are tired of searching for the right handbag, this video is for you. In this video, we will show you 8 popular handbag types to match any event. Whether it's a fancy gala or a casual brunch, this video will help you to find the perfect bag. From classic totes to trendy clutches, each style has its own charm. So let's dive into what makes each handbag special. Clutch bags are small purses great for formal occasions like weddings or parties. They have no straps, so you hold them in your hand, adding elegance to your evening wear. Clutches come in different shapes like rectangular or envelope, and often have fun details like sequins or beads. Though small, they can hold essentials like lipstick and your phone. Tote bags are spacious and perfect for daily use. They can be stylish leather bags for work or casual canvas ones for weekends. With open tops and handles, they are easy to carry. Totes are great for carrying everything from laptops to groceries. Crossbody bags let you keep your hands free while looking stylish. They have adjustable straps that go across your body, making them comfy and practical. These bags come in various shapes and are perfect for travel or shopping. Satchel bags are classic and professional. They usually have a flat bottom and top handles, making them suitable for work or formal events. Satchel can be dressed up or down and have a room for your documents and gadgets. Hobo bags are relaxed and slouchy. With a crescent shape, they are great for everyday use and can hold all your daily essentials. This bag type is often linked to bohemian style but can fit into any casual look. Shoulder bags are iconic and easy to use. With 1 or 2 straps, they come in many shapes, from boxy to rounded, making them suitable for both working and errands. Their size and design make them a staple in any wardrobe. Backpacks are no longer just for students. They are stylish for everyone. Modern backpacks come in sleek designs and materials like leather. With multiple compartments, they can carry everything from laptops to gym gear while looking good. Evening bags are small and perfect for black tie events. They often use luxurious materials like silk or crystals and hold just the essentials. From stylish miniatures to cute wristlets, evening bags add a touch of sparkle to your outfit. Yes, I know, with so many handbag types, finding the right one can be tough. But now you know the different styles to help you choose. Whether you need a functional tote or a glamorous evening bag, you can make a stylish choice that suits your lifestyle. Next time you're shopping, you will know exactly what to look for. That's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'm Italo from Sourcing Yuan, and I will see you in the next one.